Good day and hello to my future employer. My name is Benita Picato Bartolome. I am 40 years old, married. I have three children. Their ages are 22, 16, and 12-year-old. I have two boys and one girl. I am from the province of Surigao del Norte, Mindanao, Philippines. I already have work experience abroad. I worked at Kuwait with two employers in 6 years, year 2015 to 2018 and 2021 to 2023. They have six adults member in the family. I do basically household chores there, such as cleaning, ironing, cooking, marketing, and taking care of the baby. On the other hand, I also have work experience at Qatar with one employer, year 2018 to 2020. We have seven adults member in the family. Five are adults and two children, ages 9-year-old and 3-year-old. I also do household chores there and marketing with the things to buy and need it, especially for laundry. To my future employer, if you let me to work with you, I promise that I am a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, kind person and flexible for work. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.